how to create a full course in Kajabi under 5 minutes. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a full course in Kajabi under 5 minutes. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Kajabi website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you have to tap on products and then tap on new products. Over here, you have to tap on mini course. After that, give your course a title, a description, and a thumbnail. Then tap on submit and Kajabi will create an outline for your course. Over here, can change all your posts according to your planned course. To change the title of a post, you have to tap on that post. After that, give your post a title, a description, and a thumbnail. Then tap on Save Category. You can add more posts in your course module by tapping on Add Content and then tap on New Post. Then just give it a name and a new post will be created. In order to change the content of your course module's post, you have to tap this option. And then you can add different types of media like photos, assessment, and videos. You can also add different types of files for your audience in the download section. When you are done with the changing, then you have to tap Save. You can also customize the theme of your course by tapping on this option. In order to change your course theme, tap on Pick a Theme and then select a relevant theme and your course's theme will be changed. You can also add the price of your course by tapping on Offers under Sales section. Over here, tap on Add a new offer and then just fill in these information and give your course a price tag and tap on Save. So that's how you can create a full course in Kajabi under 5 minutes. That's all for this video.